All right, pilots, arm your quads. Let's go live on the tone in less than 5. This is a hot heat right here as that sun comes out to shine. High qualifiers on seat number 8, Strobot Racer, who is one spot ahead of the bubble after we removed Provo. Control in the number 50 spot on race band 7, Tommy Pezzino. In the number 47 spot, race band 6. And you got Flycucks, Maker FPV, Rock FPV, who is 18th overall, Falcon X, who is 15th overall, and your second overall top qualifier, Doma FPV, race band number 1. And he can fly in a hotel, but not outdoors. He's on his lid and in the loser's bracket early. As we push on the rest of our field, it's going to be Rock FPV on to lap number 2 with a 34-1, well out in front. He had terrible luck in the final round of the World Cup, but here, when he makes his second trip back to America to show what they do in Korea, he is owning this field here. He has a 4.5 second lead over the rest of the field. Strobot Racers running second, Flycucks third, Maker FPV fourth. Then you got Falcon X in a battle for the 4-5 with Maker FPV. It's 4 and 2 on our DVR screen. I'm watching the Falcon X. He got by Maker, but not by much. That is for the transfer position as we have your leader, Rock FPV, on lap number 3. Let's go up to the top of the skies, the soaring skies. It's Flycucks and Falcon X crossing over. Maker FPV now in the number 4 spot. That is going to drop Drobot Racer into the number 5 spot. Great video, and it's where I'm on board with Drobot Racer. He just wants to go full throttle wide open and get by a quad to move up in our winner's bracket as we have an opportunity here with our consolation bracket as well. Here comes your winner of this one. There is YoungRok Son, 3 laps in 1:32, Korea at the top of the board. Next across over, this is going to be a tight finish there. Falcon X, Maker FPV, Drobot Racer, and Flycucks, and that finish will be under DVR review. That finish will be under DVR review. What a great finish right there. The question will be, was it Drobot Racer or was it Flycucks for the transfer position? 5 versus 8. Let's retrieve some quads and I'll do some figuring out here in a moment. We're going to do a DVR review. I look over to my good buddy Adrian, the smartest guy in the world, my good buddy. And even before I said his name, he is flipping to my DVR. We are going to DVR review the end of the race because we're not sure if it's Maker FPV, Drobot Racer, or Flycucks in the number 4 position. 4, 8, 5. And we're going to pull up the end of the race. So we're going to start staging here in a moment. Our teammates are going to hold us up. It's not going to be like Reno where we were doing a measuring contest. We're going to go frame by frame on the DVR and see if our timing systems will align. The timing system says it's Maker, Drobot, Flycucks. But look at this DVR review. They're loving it inside of the live stream right now. Right now, it is 4 going to cross over first, just like the scoring system says. 4 goes through the gate. So Maker is going to be 3rd. Next to crossover is going to be 8, Drobot Racer. And as I look on board with Flycucks, I see Drobot Racer through the gate. So the results, and this is like every time we use a TBS event tracker and every time we use an Immersion RC 8-way, I have never seen the DVR disagree with RSSI timing, but there it is on your screen as well if you're watching our live stream. Results are official. Rock FPV, Falcon X, Maker FPV, and Drobot Racer. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flycucks will get 5th in that one by 0.1 seconds, as we will